Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Google Pixel 6 Pro has a dual SIM slot. So the slot is located right here on the left side. Now let's take the needle from the box and stick it in this gap right here. Take it out, and we can see that it has one slot right here, and on the back there's no slot, and that would confirm this device only has a one SIM slot and not the dual one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.